Can we start?
Go for it.
Shh! People trying to work! So I think we need the big thick one to start. This one? No, this one.
Can I have the glue quickly?
Now we have to let that dry. Can I have the wax quickly, please?
I can't get the glue out.
Oh no, I glued it the wrong way!
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did.
Oh my god, Lottie.
Ah! Looks like a monster. Where's the glue? No, I was right. It's now wrong.
Teamwork makes the dream work if you all pitch in and try. Here we go. Oh, wow, that's pretty.
It just goes straight through.
It's finally finished!
That works.
Be the caterpillar. Hello.
Be the caterpillar.
One day
You will turn into a beautiful butterfly like me.
I really want to lick them.
Hello, my name is Mr. Caterpillar. Yeah.